It's maintenance week. All right, so we are in preparation of an upcoming trip. There's a few things I want to get done to the bus before we head out, make sure I don't have any issues while out on the road. We are approaching the 10,000 mile mark of owning the bus, so I will be changing out the fuel filters for the Duramax diesel today. This is the part number here. I got a Baldwin kit off of Rock Auto. Other projects I have on the list are the water pump. I noticed a chirp on the bus a few weeks ago. Generally, it's an indication of a water pump that needs to be replaced. And I'm at the 120,000 mile mark. This is around when the water pumps are replaced anyway, so I'll be tearing the front of the bus off. I'm just going to remove everything, just kind of get in there and see what else is going on. So in addition to the water pump, I will be replacing the two pulleys, an idler pulley, both thermostats, and the coolant temperature sensor. I figured while I got everything opened up, might as well get everything done, and hopefully I won't have to touch everything for at least 100,000 more miles. So today is the fuel pump that will be replaced. This is a standard procedure for the Chevy Expresses. Mine's a 2010 with the Duramax engines. This is the LMM. Thankfully, the fuel filters are not in the engine compartment because it's pretty cramped with the van fronts and such a big engine in there. So luckily, the fuel filter is located right near the fuel tank underneath the bus, so easy access. This should be a pretty quick job. It's gonna be a little messy, but let's get busy. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to prime the system. All you have to do is put your key in the ignition, put it in the on position for about 10 seconds. You want to do this about 3 or 4 times and it should be ready to fire up. So we're going to do that. All right, so start it up. Let's go check for leaks. All right, no leaks. We're gonna let this run for a few more minutes while I clean up, and we'll wrap everything up. Well, that wasn't really bad at all. I would give that maybe like a 2 out of 10 on the difficulty scale. Yeah, probably took, you know, recording and everything takes a little bit longer, but you could probably knock this out in about 30 minutes. If the van doesn't start after priming it, don't keep trying to start it. Just back it off, prime it a few more times because you want to get those filters filled up with fuel. You could prime the filters before putting them on, but it's a little messy. And the priming from the key works fine, so it just may take a little bit more than 3 or 4 times, and it should fire right up. So not too bad of a job. I will be doing an oil change on this too, but that's going to wait until after I do the water pump. Another thing I'm going to do is a hack that I came across that kind of caught my interest. Apparently these things are already programmed with cruise control. Most of them are. So in order to activate the cruise control, you have to swap out the steering wheel with the steering wheel that already has the cruise control buttons on it. So this worked from, I think, the 2008 up till like 2018, 2019 Chevys. I'm not sure if it works with the gas, but I know it works with the diesels. So I have a new steering wheel in the mail. It's coming. It should be here early next week. So I'm going to be swapping that out and giving that a try. So hopefully I will have cruise control on this thing, which would be really nice on a long drive. So yeah, so I'll make a video of that. I don't think I'm going to film the water pump just because it's really involved, and there's probably going to be a lot of bleeping that's going to be needed in that video too. So I'm probably not going to film that. I might just take some pictures, maybe upload it to Instagram too. So if you want to see how that goes, feel free to check that out. If you made it this far and you like the content, if this is helpful, please give me a like and a subscribe. It's really helpful for the channels. We're closing in on 600 subscribers now, which is awesome. So yeah, every day just keep building it and you know, finding our people. So which is awesome. So if you are here as a subscriber, I thank you. And if you're new here, I would appreciate the sub and a thumbs up. So any questions or anything, leave it down in the comment section, and I do my best to respond to everything. Thanks again, and we'll see you down the road.